Hey, what's up guys, I'm Dom and welcome back to my channel. In my last video you may remember me talking about this, the TRONSMART Bang Mini, which rightly so is a really good speaker. Now TRONSMART decided to send me yet another speaker. This time it is the TRONSMART T7. So this is slightly more portable, which is obviously a good thing, but the main advantage of this speaker is the fact that it has 360 sound. So obviously we're going to put that to the test later in this video, but let's have a closer look at the box. So this is what it looks like. Obviously it comes with the pulse sound, which is pretty cool as we found out. So obviously it's IPX7 water resistant. You got a portable lanyard with this. It has up to 12 hours of playtime. You got vibrant LED modes, and you got a custom equalizer via the app, which is really good news. So yeah, going into this, it also has a Type-C charging cable, which once again is really cool. So yeah, we're going to take a closer look at this in just a moment. Okay, it is literally pouring down outside. Hopefully the mic doesn't pick it up. So yeah, let's take a closer look at the box. So this is what it looks like. So you got your vibrant LED modes. Okay, so let's take a look at what we get inside. Got my trusty unboxing knife ready. Okay, let's take a look. So this is quite weighty actually. Obviously it's not as big as the Bang Mini, or as weighty for that matter. Okay, so first thing that you see is a blank sort of piece of paper with the TRONSMART logo on it. Pretty nice way to put it. You get a foam pad for protection, and the next thing is the actual speaker, which comes in this bag. We'll take a look at that in just a moment. Inside of here you have a little wallet or an envelope. Put that to the side. You also have a similar one here, and that is literally it. Okay, so let's start by taking a look at the speaker. So this is what the speaker looks like. The TRONSMART thing turns. It might even be volume control, this, which would be pretty cool. That's the base. And on here, I don't know if you can see it. Well, this is the way it's meant to be actually. So you got a power button, a next button, a play button, previous button, as well as your sound pulse button there. And underneath that you have a USB-C as well as a micro SD card slot, which is pretty cool to see. And obviously it comes with a lanyard. I'm not sure if you can call this a lanyard, but I guess it is a strap, which is a good thing to have. So put that to the side. Let's have a look at this first envelope. I imagine this is a charging cable, and I imagine correctly. There's nothing else inside of here. Put that to the side. Yeah, so it comes with a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. And then I would imagine that this is the instructions. So yeah, it comes with a full-on user manual, just here. It comes with a warranty card. So for those of you interested, it looks like it's the same as with the other speaker. So you get a 1-year warranty plus another 6 months when you register. And you also have information about the sound pulse technology. Okay, so I believe that this here is the app. It's simply called TRONSMART. I'm going to install it now via the Google Play Store. Always good to see that apps are available via the Google Play Store. So let's open that. Yep, I agree and continue. So this is what the app looks like. So if we select speakers, you see the TRONSMART here. Yep, allow. So it's now searching for the device. Let's have a look at how that copes. I may have to connect to Bluetooth first. Okay, so let's select the TRONSMART T7. Yep. Okay, that looks to be connected. And it's got 60% of battery, which is pretty cool. Okay, so that's now detected it. So it has a firmware update. Let's update this now just to make sure that we're on the latest firmware. Okay, so that seems to have done it now. It's just rebooting. So let's see what this twisty thing here does. Yeah, so I can confirm that that's volume control, which is actually pretty cool. Right. So let's take a closer look at what the app will do for us. Okay. Okay, so you've got a equalizer. So at the minute, sound pulse is enabled. You've got classical, customizable option, rock, deep bass, as well as your default. And that's what the customizable equalizer looks like. All pretty cool. So yeah, let's have a look at what it sounds like.
Can't you tell? Hi, my name is Annabelle, and welcome to my tea party. Boo. Spooky? Oh my God! Hey, Annabelle. Yes? Why is my tea floating? Whose balloon is this?
It's mine.
Oh, Penny, can you pass on the Ouija board for me? You sure? I am Belle. Can't you tell? You will meet my haunted friends. You will go to hell. Oh, by the way, have you met Chucky yet?
Yo, what's up, bro?
I see the constellations. They remind me that this life cannot be lost forever. I watch my generation. It's so evident this world will soon be gone. Will soon be gone. You will live for tonight. Run away. Let's run away, run away.
My channel. In today's video, we're going to be checking out this. This, ladies and gents, is the TRONSMART Bang Mini. Okay, let's be honest with ourselves. This speaker is priced at $49.99 and the sound that this produces is absolutely amazing. I'm not being funny, you know, I'm not sponsored by TRONSMART to say this or anything like that. They just sent me this product to try out and give my honest opinion. I mean, when I had my hand on the desk whilst this was playing, you could seriously feel the vibrations on the desk, you can feel the vibrations on the floor. This thing is very powerful for what it is. Obviously, at this sort of price range, you can't expect a huge, great deal, but that's where this speaker comes in because it changes everything. I mean, as a standard Bluetooth speaker, you get 360 audio, which I'm not sure if the mic picked up, but with that Halloween sort of track, the Annabelle one, this picked up the 360 really well. Now, obviously, this is my first time using this speaker, so I don't know what it's like in the long term, but in the short term, I can definitely recommend this speaker. But yeah, that's it from this video. If you enjoyed my video, it would mean a lot to me if you could hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It helps small channels like mine with the algorithm, as well as to generally grow. Now, with the Christmas season coming up, if you are interested in getting your hands on one of these speakers, or perhaps buying them for someone else as a gift, I will leave them linked down below. If you do decide to purchase it via that link, obviously you will be supporting the channel as well. But yeah, that's it from me. Till next time.
I am thou. Can't you tell? You will be my haunted friends, or you will go to hell. Hi, my name is Annabelle, and welcome to my tea party.